Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to choose size on Shein. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First up, open up Shein app. Make sure you have already downloaded Shein app on your device. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this kind of interface. So here you can see different categories like women, curve, kids, man, sports, outdoor, jewelry and accessories. For now, let me go to women. Simply tap on it. So here you can see all the products or items related to women. So for now, let's say I want to buy this item, then simply tap on it. So in order to choose size, simply scroll down and here you will see extra small, medium and large or curve. So this is how you can choose your size. So if you want to choose it, simply select it and you will find length, sleeve length, bust, cuff, bicep length. So this is how you can select size on Shein. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.